Welcome to Plagiarism.com Microsoft Teams Teacher Manual. First, go to Microsoft Teams and create an assignment in the Assignments tab. After the assignment is created, open the Plagiarism tab and select your assignment from the list. Here you can see the assignment list in Microsoft Teams. The first arrow shows the assignment name. Next, the arrow points to the number of MS Teams submissions. The green highlight indicates an active assignment. If the assignment is not highlighted, it is an inactive assignment. To update the status of assignments and get the latest reports, click the refresh button in the upper right corner. To enter the assignment, click the arrow icon on the right side of the row. In the assignment, there are different options you can enable. By moving the slider to the right, all papers submitted before and after enabling will be checked. If the slider is not moved, the option will not be enabled. Please note that AI detection and grammar check must first be activated by the administrator in the MS Teams admin panel. Enter the assignment to see the list of the submitted papers. You can choose whether to show similarity reports and scores to the students after grading of the papers in Teams, or not. Click on Save to initiate the checking process. If you don't click Save, the checking of documents won't be started. Here you can see the list of submitted papers. The name of the author is always an email. The title of the paper is the name of the file. Grade is added by the teacher in the MS Teams gradebook. Similarity score is a reference to SC1. To save papers in the database, go to Actions or select Papers. The documents can be archived automatically after a certain number of days set by the administrator in the Plagiarism account settings. Selected documents will change status. First, the icon turns to a gear while the paper is being processed. Then it changes to the green icon, and finally to the blue icon when the check is completed successfully. Thank you for watching the Plagiarism.com Microsoft Teams Teacher Manual. If you have any questions, please contact us.